All right, we're beginning the tour of the island. And there's Joe, Meki. This is Meki's house. All right. Big old fishing rods. Size of that one. Big old fish baits. Oh, crab pot.
There's a pig there.
Oh, hello, Mr. Piggy. Is he, you walk up to him, or will he, like, turn on you?
And then after that, then the pig will come next to you.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. He's got a move.
About this? That's cool.
These things
Wow.
These are like cannibals. These were the...
Oh, 8 people?
Yeah. These were the...
Man, look at that. Right up there. Kind of hard to see because of the light. Very cool. Again, Meki's house.
Meki's house.
And over there is the main island of Viti Levu.
Main island of Viti Levu.
That's where Suva and Nandi and Missouri Airport, where I flew in.
Yeah.
Over there, mainland as they call it, even though it's an island. Here comes Meki.
Thank you.
Yay! Right. We come here to our first stop. This one here is, we call it Bokolo. Bokolo is when our ancestors used to come back from the war and catching, on the canoe when they go conquer other villages, and they catch some enemies from there. So the stronger ones, they give them the option: either you want to be in the army, the navy fleet, or you die. So the weaker one die, the stronger one be in the. There will be like 800 army officers, navy officers in the village have to be freed. So those weaker ones have to be killed here, knelt down like this, get chopped, and dragged to the earth oven over there, and they cook it down and feed the navy fleet, the navy army thing with them.
Wow.
So you're in one of the brutal islands in Fiji.
This is one of the brutalest islands?
Yes.
Oh no.
Yes.
I don't know if that's not good. Well, except you're not brutal anymore.
Not anymore, yeah. But when one of my king was there, and he used to have this like a mbete. What do you call a mbete? Like a priest.
Okay.
He's like do voodoo and witchcrafts.
Right.
Yeah. And this boat, the king was looking at, and he see this boat, and he went up to, he looked up into the ocean. This house is just from there, and he asked the priest, that the witchcraft dude, what about this ship? Can we go and conquer that ship and kill the people who's riding the ship? And the witchcraft man said, which I just go do some cover session in the what you call the temple. Temple. We call it the bure.
Okay.
Yeah, you call it temple. The skinny one.
Right.
And they do the thing, and that guy will tell him that boat there's a light he's bringing. You better take that light. So he was bringing Jesus.
Oh, wow.
So that's why we turn.
Okay.
Yeah. That
So
boat was bringing
that was
Christianity.
bringing Christianity.
Yes.
Wow.
So the witch doctor said it's better for you to take that light. So most of these people will get
Take the light as in take their advice, take their teachings, as
Yes,
opposed to taking them and killing
take
them.
Jesus Christ.
Take Jesus Christ.
So that all stops killing. So no more this.
When was the last time that stone had a head on it?
I haven't had a research. That's a good question.
Okay.
When you go from here,
Mhm.
you'll ask all the
It's about 1800s.
yeah back in the
1800s, 1870.
17
So 150 years ago.
1780s.
Okay.
Yeah.
1780s.
Yes.
Okay.
This is just like 3 generations back of because when the king accepted that light that comes with Jesus, that he accept, most of our tribe here in the village of Lasakau, they still 15 years when the king accept Christianity. 15 years they still rebel in eating
Right.
flesh, human flesh.
Right.
They'll ride out to the island. There's an island out there next to Ovalau, Motoriki. It's Lolovia. So they used to go, they used to go and make small love over there
Right.
and cook this small kids or something. They just steal from around the corner here. Yeah, they
Man.
go cook it up over there, and then maybe one small parcel, the king parcel has to come, or the other day they just have it.
I'm glad y'all don't like human flesh anymore.
So
At least
that's
as far as I
one
know.
of the explanation of about this stone here. And every island that they conquered around, every island that they conquered, and after they conquered that island, in front of their boat when they come back, they'll have a vast of land inside. So they'll come, they'll just dump it here. This one here. All this land here.
That big mound. And so what is that?
This is the pieces of land from everywhere in Fiji that
okay, cool.
he conquered.
Cool.
He conquered. Yeah, he conquered.
All right. So
this only this pile of land.
right, only that pile of land right there that you see mounded up came from all the conquered islands.
Right.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Very
in
cool.
small pot of clay pots.
Right.
Yeah. So they go to like that island. When they conquer that island, it comes with enemy and with a pot of
With a pot of their dirt. All right.
So from now we're changing that ritual. We're changing it as a playing like of conquering some other place.
Right.
So in the olden days, our king and chiefs used to do that. They would conquer some other land to bring the land.
They would do that on the holidays.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Do it on the holiday. Like
Awesome.
Okay. Cover.
All right. Great system. Great story. All right. What we're going to do for a minute is I'm going to stop recording for just a sec here in a minute. Maybe.